Are you a fan of Tesla's cutting-edge technology and sleek design, but thought owning one was out of reach? Well, recent reports have shown that used Tesla prices have been dropping, making this luxury electric vehicle more accessible than ever before. From increased competition to the economic downturn caused by the pandemic, there are several factors contributing to this trend. Join us as we take a closer look at the reasons behind the price drops and what it means for buyers in today's market. Whether you're looking to upgrade your current ride or finally make your Tesla dream a reality, this is an opportunity you won't want to miss. So don't wait any longer. Tune in and discover how you can own a Tesla at an affordable price. Welcome back to Auto Tech, where we keep you updated on the latest news and trends in the world of electric vehicles. In this video, we're going to dive deep into the recent drops in used Tesla prices and what that means for consumers. You may have noticed, used Tesla prices have been on the decline for some time now. According to data from Kelley Blue Book, a leading car valuation and automotive research company, the average price of a used Tesla Model S dropped by about 15%. Similarly, the average price of a used Model X dropped by about 12%. And it's not just the older models that are seeing a drop in prices. Even the newer Model Y has seen a significant decrease, with prices dropping by as much as 20% on the official Tesla website. So what's causing these drops in used Tesla prices? There are a few factors at play. Firstly, with the release of the new Model S Plaid and Model X Plaid, more and more people are looking to trade in their older Tesla models for the newer, more advanced versions. This increase in supply of used Tesla cars is putting pressure on prices to drop. One factor is the increasing competition from other electric vehicle manufacturers. With more and more companies entering the EV market, consumers have more options to choose from, which also puts pressure on prices to drop. The new models from the other companies are now better equipped with technology and features and are similar or even surpasses Tesla's, which is making the used Tesla cars less desirable to buyers. As Tesla continues to improve its technology and release new models, older models are becoming less appealing to buyers, which also contributes to the drop in prices. Tesla is continuously innovating and bringing new models to the market that are equipped with the latest technology, features, and capabilities, which makes the older models less desirable to buyers. So what does this all mean for consumers? For those who are looking to buy a used Tesla, it's definitely a buyer's market. With prices dropping, it's a great time to snag a deal on a used Tesla. However, it's important to do your research and compare prices to make sure you're getting the best deal. Also, it's important to consider the condition of the car, the mileage, the warranty, and all other factors that may affect the overall value of the car. However, for those of you who have recently bought a Tesla, the drops in prices may be disappointing. The value of their car has dropped significantly, which means that if they were to sell it now, they would lose thousands of dollars. However, it's important to remember that buying a car is a long-term investment and the value of the car will fluctuate over time. The value of the car will change depending on various factors, such as the market condition, the supply and demand, and the overall economic condition. So what does the future hold for used Tesla prices? It's hard to say for sure. Some analysts predict that prices will continue to drop as more and more used Tesla cars hit the market and competition from other EV manufacturers increases. However, others believe that as the market for electric vehicles continues to grow, demand for used Teslas will also increase, which may cause prices to stabilize or even rise. The future of the used Tesla prices is highly dependent on the market condition and the overall demand for electric cars. Something to consider is the increasing competition in the electric vehicle market. As more and more companies enter the space, the market becomes more crowded and competitive. This can lead to price drops as companies try to gain market share and attract more buyers. In addition, as technology and production processes improve, the cost of producing electric vehicles is likely to decrease, which could also contribute to lower prices for used Teslas. It's also worth noting that Tesla is known for consistently updating and improving its vehicles. As newer models are released, the older models may become less desirable to buyers and therefore their prices may drop. For example, the Model Y has seen a massive price drop recently as the newer Model Y long-range variant was released. Overall, while the recent price drops may be seen as a negative for recent buyers who may have lost thousands of dollars in resale value, it's important to remember that these price drops also make Teslas more accessible to a wider range of buyers. Additionally, the future of Tesla prices is uncertain and could continue to decrease. But it's also important to consider factors such as increasing competition, improving technology and production processes, and new model releases. It's ultimately a balancing act for Tesla buyers, and it's important to weigh the pros and cons before making a decision. One aspect we can't ignore is the impact of the pandemic on the used car market. The economic downturn and high inflation caused by the pandemic has led to a decrease in consumer spending, which has resulted in a decrease in demand for used cars, including used Teslas. This decrease in demand has led to a decrease in prices as sellers try to offload their vehicle. Additionally, many people have lost their jobs or experienced a reduction in income, which makes it harder for them to afford a used Tesla at its original price. So the decrease in prices could be seen as an opportunity for those who have been affected by the pandemic to finally purchase a Tesla at a more affordable price. Another factor that should be considered is the availability of financing options for used Teslas. Many buyers prefer to finance their purchase through a loan, but the availability of these options can vary. Some lenders may be more willing to finance used Tesla purchases than others, and the terms of the loan can vary as well. The interest rates on used car loans are typically higher than for new car loans, which can also affect the price of the used Tesla. As the availability of financing options can vary, buyers should shop around and compare offers from different lenders before making a decision. It's also worth mentioning that the used Tesla market is not regulated like the new car market. This means that there are no set standards for pricing, condition, or warranty. This can make it more difficult for buyers to know what they're getting for their money. Therefore, it's important for buyers to do their research and only buy from reputable sellers. Used Tesla prices have been dropping for a variety of reasons, including increased competition, newer model releases, improving technology, and the economic downturn caused by the pandemic. Additionally, the availability of financing options and the unregulated nature of the used Tesla market can also impact prices. While these price drops may be a negative for recent buyers who may have lost thousands of dollars in resale value, it's important to remember that it also makes Teslas more accessible to a wider range of buyers. As always, buyers should weigh the pros and cons, do their research, and compare financing options before making a decision. So there you have it, folks. Used Tesla prices are dropping, making this luxury EV more accessible than ever before. From increased competition to the economic downturn caused by the pandemic, there are several factors contributing to this trend. But one thing is for sure, this is a great opportunity for anyone who's been dreaming of owning a Tesla but thought it was out of reach. Don't let this opportunity pass you by. Start your search today and join the ranks of Tesla owners. Remember, a Tesla is not just a car, it's a statement of forward thinking and innovation. Thanks for watching, and if you're now thinking of buying a used Tesla, let us know in the comment section below. The market's changing fast, so be sure to stay informed. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button and subscribe before you head out and click that notification bell so you can stay up to date on the latest EV news and trends. Until next time, thanks for watching Autotech.